Alright, this is the second video of this thing. I heard it beeping, which means that it shut off and turned back on. Alright, so I gotta find a way to get rid of the ouch. Now this stuff, ouch. This stuff is already cooked. Mmm, delicious. 3 words, delicious, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I won't bore you with the whole details here. You just peel away at the leg first, the closest to the body. Oh, mama. There's so much meat in here. See, as you tear it out, tear it apart, the meat just comes out. See that? Oh my. It's delicious. We need a pair of pliers to break it open, the heavy stuff. Oh, so sweet. You can see the meat coming out of there. Incredibly tasty, people. It's ridiculous. Sweet and tasty. Alright, what we got here is it's starting to, I gotta add a little bit more water. So I got 3 clusters in here. I got it in high heat right now. You guys got to try this one if you haven't. It's just really, really delicious. But for some reason, it always tastes better when somebody else does it for you. Like Dave and I in Florida, we have a place, a go-to place for crab, snow crab, and it's just unbelievably delicious. You better have hard teeth. The way I eat it, anyway. It is so good, guys. See that? Just a nice, beautiful chunk of meat right there. Just lightly dipped in butter. Doesn't need much. Got garlic in there, a little bit of hot peppers. So I challenge you guys to try some. Now, Johnny Nem, he eats a lot of this stuff. Now it is a little sloppy, but and I pretty much eat every single piece of meat that this stuff has to offer. Nothing goes to waste. And look at that. So good, guys. I know you guys know what this tastes like. Don't let nothing go to waste. Mm. I'm sure that's how they eat them in Indonesia. You look around, make sure nobody else is watching you. Otherwise, if somebody sees you, oh, look at that piece. Oh, look at that. And you just dip it in the butter, garlic, red peppers. Just crazy. Sheer insanity, the taste of this stuff. It would be so sweet if we had a place that had like Dungeness crab or something. Like in state of Washington, they have them. The old Dungeness. So much meat in them. And then you eat it the same way. Yum. Oh, mama. And this lake, part of the lake, is always the best. Oh, man. All right, guys. Now, like I said, I got quite a bit of stuff done. A little bit on the Corvette, a little bit in the yard, and we'll call this video a wrap. It's probably going to be the last one of the evening. It's 6 o'clock-ish, and a little after 6. Still a really nice day. The wind's died down. It's supposed to get down to like 75 or cooler. So, all right. I'll see you guys. Bye.